got deep into jazz, or I never really like looked into it. But I tried it out once, and it was good.
Kurtis Gray has been a part of the Memphis Jazz Workshop for many years.
They've really nurtured me musically, like in a level I can't explain.
Gray's passion for drumming started at age 2, but he says his time with the Memphis Jazz Workshop has only elevated his skill set.
Everything that you want in a musician, he's doing that now at 17.
Stephen Lee is the founder of the Memphis Jazz Workshop. He launched the program in 2017 to provide music education for middle and high school students. Students work with highly trained musicians to perfect their craft. He says working with students like Kurtis has been so promising for the future of jazz.
The joy of seeing them teach themselves is great. It's just great to see, the kids just huddling, talking about this music. You don't see that a lot in 2024. Like you said, a lot of kids are listening to hip hop, which is cool. But don't forget about the roots of just Black American music. It also this is true American art form.
Although Kurtis will graduate from the program this spring, he says he's ready to take his talents out to the world.
If I record music or write music, I always want to bring back that feeling of music, Memphis music. The blues, rock. Bring in some R&B and some gospel. And jazz, just tie it in to the Memphis feel and the soul that Memphis brings out. I want to give that out to the world.